Hey guys, so I told you guys how I'm giving the room a makeover. I still love like the crystal, but I want to get rid of some of the mirrored look that I have in the room and kind of just brighten things a little bit. And I showed you guys this Ikea dresser, but I'm actually giving it a makeover right now, and everything for that mini makeover is here. So I was like, why not just show you guys what I'm doing? I found this website, I think it's called like overlays.com. I'll link it below, but they have all of these like really pretty wooden overlays, and they have an entire section that's dedicated to just Ikea furniture. So it comes like pre-cut. Found these right here, and these were like $6.50 for a pack of 2. This is the glue that I'm using right here. Hopefully it works, but yeah, I'm just gonna be applying it. Then I'm going to kind of like paint it on. So I did one drawer, and one thing that I noticed is that the screws that these come with are too short. Luckily, I did already have knobs on here and those work perfectly, but I do have to go in and tighten them. I would definitely recommend getting a glue that's a little bit tacky. That way, if you don't match it up perfectly, you can still move it around and it's not the end of the world. And just to make sure that each one of them is matching up with each other, I like to take the leveler and just make sure that it's perfectly straight. So that looks good. But yeah, so far it's looking really good, and I'm excited to see the finished product. A good thing about this glue is it takes a little bit longer to set, so I can go in, kind of clean up any of that glue that kind of like seeps through, and it's super easy. It just comes off so fast. We are all done. I love how it came out. It looks so good. The only thing I have to wait, it says it takes 6 hours for it to completely set. So I went through and just kind of made sure to like press down on all the corners just to make sure that those were nice and secure. I also still have to tighten these. I'm actually going to be lifting that, and I'm gonna be putting this mirror against this wall. So it's kind of like facing that side of the room, and then this is gonna be all right here. I also got some picture frames to go right here. So I found these picture frames at Home Goods, and the color is just perfect. I think I got some glue on the mirror. But yeah, the frame has like a champagne gold, just like these right here, and I think it's gonna be so pretty up here on this wall, but I still need to figure out which pictures I'm gonna put on here. Gonna put them right here, and I'm gonna do 3 of them. Also, I ordered a chandelier. Actually, it's called a fandelier. It's basically like a crystal chandelier with blades that hide whenever you're not using it. So that should be here in a few days, and we'll have a handyman install that. I'm also gonna be replacing both nightstands because I want them to match the dresser. So yeah, let me show you guys what else I picked up from Ikea. I'm gonna be using this in a video coming up. And then I also picked up these bowls. I thought they were so cute. I got 2 of those just for me and my husband. They make really good like ice cream bowls or like oatmeal bowls. Oh, I actually got one of these for my mom, but they're just like little teaspoons that I can keep in the coffee station so I don't have to grab like the really big ones. Oh, I already had one of these plates, but I wanted a matching one so that we could have you know, a set for me and my husband, and look how cute that is. Then I got this salad bowl for my mom, which she's here, so I'm gonna give that to her. Really nice. And I also found this book for Sebastian. I haven't given it to him. And I got this for Sebastian also. I'll put it together right now so you guys can see it, because my nieces and nephews are actually coming over and they're gonna play. So it's really cool. And this was like around, it was under $30 for the whole set, because it comes in 2 pieces. And it's like a tent and a tunnel. And the last thing is this faux sheepskin rug. They used to only carry like the real sheepskin, but now they have the faux ones, and they're only like $14. So I actually got this one for my office. I just put everything on the dresser so you guys could see what it looks like all set up. I have these beautiful flowers. My friend actually custom makes these. If you guys want to ever place an order, she can actually make any flowers that you want. So I will leave her website linked down below. Then I have this tray right here. I picked this tray up at HomeGoods years ago. I love it. It actually matches this dresser perfectly. And then I just keep a few perfumes that I've been reaching for on a daily basis on here. This is my current favorite. This is from Jo Malone, and it's called Silk Blossom. It's so good. If you guys are looking for something really good, I would definitely recommend this one. And then over here, I have baby Sebastian. I am obsessed with this picture. It's seriously so beautiful. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Let's pretend like my mirror is not filthy right now. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY. You could totally do this to like any dresser in your house, or any like nightstand or anything like that, to just like vamp it up. I think it's such a fun idea. I will leave links to everything I talked about down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.